Yes, so Lawrence from Sydney, Australia. I've been trading for 17 years, specifically in Forex, a little bit of Bitcoin and index CFD, which is the Aussie 200. I'm a DiNapoli expert and trading educator. Well, my trading journey started 17 years ago. I tried various methods, moving averages, trend trading, you name it, I did it. I did a lot of different things and with mixed results. Basically, the moving averages method challenged me. I really needed to know where the market was going and where it was, where it didn't go. It just didn't work. So here's a chart. You've probably seen something like this before. On the surface, this looks great. But when you're actually got your money on the line here, I found that I really didn't know where to get in, where to get out, and I had very mixed results. Don't get me wrong, I made quite good money, but I lost a lot of money. So with mixed results, I almost gave up trading. It was one of those days I said, well, if this is trading, I don't want it. But I actually wanted a method that was more accurate. Something that I could really know where the market was going, where to get in and where to get out. Because of my determination, I kept pursuing my trading career, and I came across this book, DiNapoli Levels, which honestly has changed the way I trade, changed the way I look and approach the markets. So what this did for me, it gave me clarity, confidence, and it reduced my risk. If you know anything about trading, reducing your risk in a trade is imperative. So with this, it built the belief in the method, which is when you trade, you need to have confidence and believe in a method to actually put your money on the line, especially when you've got a lot of money on the line. And how can I say? So if you don't have your confidence in the method, you're not going to trade well. But this gave me the belief to actually put a lot of money on the line. So as Joe said, we use leading indicators to get in front of the market before price even gets there. So that's a very important point there. For me, if you want to know how to trade markets, the goal is survival, long term. All right, so let's look at a chart. This is the EURUSD, which is Forex pairs. Now, as you can see, what this has done for me, going from the moving averages, something like this, the chart is so much clearer and concise. And as you can see, right there, that was our DiNapoli resistance level. So, say for instance you were long this market, using the DiNapoli Levels method, you would know that there's something big coming, and that is a major resistance level that you do not want to ignore. So, knowing this was coming up, you could say, all right, I do not want to be long this market. So also, when I said the accuracy of getting in and out of the market, so I'm now on the monthly, I would go down to a weekly chart, and you can see with our tools, the expansion tool, you've got a EBC DiNapoli XOP, which is an agreement with that monthly resistance level. So knowing this, you could say, all right, I want to be short this market at that point. It is very accurate to get into this market around about that level there. Okay, so now we're on the weekly. We can come down to the daily, and you can get short right at that point where the agreement was, and you can manage that all the way down to your support level. So as you can see, managing on the daily is a very good job. I mean, there's a lot of intricate details here, but I'm not going to go into that today. I just want to keep it simple. So you can get out at the weekly 618, monthly 302, which is the confluence area, and you can take profit there. So as you see, we've started off on the monthly chart, and we slide time frames to get the accuracy of taking a trade. And remember, if you didn't know this number was coming up, you'd be in deep trouble at the moment. So, while doing this presentation, I was in Sydney there, and it was about 4 p.m. in the afternoon. So this come up on my radar. This is a daily chart of the euro again, and as you can see, we have a change of trend, confirmed change of trend on the daily. But right here at 5 p.m. in Australia, the London Open. Okay. So at this point, I'm sitting here thinking, this is live. I'm going, okay, well, point of interest. I'm really interested in probably looking to see what's going to happen here. And I'm waiting for the London Open at 5 p.m. to start. And as you can see, on the London Open, stocks were taken out on the left-hand side here. The agreement level, it went up to the XOP, which is an agreement level there, and the reaction started. So I'm watching this, sitting there. So I went down to the 30-minute time frame. So you can see again, we're sliding down different time frames to get into precisely a good place to take a trade. So you can see the London Open, MACD sell confirmed. So again, I go back to the accuracy of getting in at a certain point and having the belief in the method to take the trades. So I took the trade roughly around here. I came all the way down to, well, as you can see, A, B, C, COP, OP. I got out running about here and was happy to take that there. So the market from here actually came all the way down to this point there. I can't really see the number there, but I know for a fact that it came there, I was watching it. So the one thing I wanted to show you, because it all comes back to the context of a trade, was right here. So this is the daily chart again. But remember, we've had a change of trend, a confirmed change of trend. So I knew that I had to be in this trade and out of this trade quickly. I wanted to sell, but not stay in this trade, because I'm going against the trend. Knowing the change of trend is confirmed, I was in and out of this trade and happy to do so. So if you look at the chart today, this came down to the, I think it was came down to that level there, which is 1/8 retracement, and right now, this market has gone all the way up and was based on this change of trend here. So my reading of the market was correct. I was in this trade and out of this trade very quick and fast. So in conclusion, DiNapoli Levels works across all time frames and all liquid markets. DiNapoli Levels works so well, it's scary. I'd be trading blind without this method, honestly. So ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you to explore and try DiNapoli Levels. So thank you very much, everyone. Hope you enjoyed.